Hey, what's up guys? It's Nero here from Silent Tech Waves. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the MacBook Air 16 gig, 1 terabyte SSD with the M1 chip. And I'm excited to see what it can do. I do a lot of video editing and music production, so I'm excited to see how this bad boy works. I think this is probably the best color. I did have the gold color, but I brought it home and realized it was pink and it wasn't gold, so it was a rose gold. They didn't detail that, so I went and returned the rose gold one and went and got the space gray. I think the space gray is a middle ground for the best color. I'm not too fond of the silver, so we're gonna go ahead and get this cracked open. Let's go ahead and do the best part here. Best part is ripping this open. Here we go. Gotta love that part. All right. Ooh. Let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, that fresh smell. Fresh out the factory. All right. Let's go ahead and get her out of the box. Nice and sealed. We're gonna put her to the side for now. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. Alright, we have a USB-C charger, it looks like. Yep, USB-C to USB-C. Okay, we have a nice power block here. Nice power block here. Looks like we'll get a lot of fast charging out of this. Alright, we have the usual packaging that comes in every product. You know, the manual. And we have stickers, which is the same color as laptop. Space gray stickers. These will go good. You know, tagging up stuff. Sporting the Apple brand. Get these stuff back up in here. Okay. Gonna go ahead and rip the plastic off the laptop. Let's get the charger back in. Let's go ahead and get that in. Swap spots. Ooh, you gotta take it off so delicate, you know. Ooh. I don't know, it's just me. I like to keep all the insides in the plastic. I don't like to rip anything. And especially for when you want to resell, you can package everything up, make it more presentable. We're gonna go ahead and open up the laptop. Ooh, look at that. Turns on automatically as soon as you open the lid. It's a cool feature there. You see, this is super brand new. I haven't even started up. Well, hello there. See, we have this nice keyboard backlit. We have the Touch ID button here. Let's go ahead and give it a close real quick. Let's check the sides here. See, we have an audio jack here with one audio jack. Nothing on the back. Pretty much just smooth, very thin laptop. We have 2 Lightning Thunderbolt ports here on the side, and that's it. So would like to see have at least one USB on it. But I guess we're upgrading with technology, so I guess we just get a nice USB hub and put it in. Should have some more ports there. As you see how thin this is, it's like a folder. Very portable, very light. Very light. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was the unbox video of the MacBook Air. I'm going to go ahead and get Final Cut Pro loaded up on a laptop. And I'm going to go ahead and test it out and see how it performed on editing this video. So the next video will be an in-depth review on the performance of the laptop and how it performed while editing videos. And I'm going to also try it with music production. So stay tuned. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that post notification so you know when the next video drop. And thanks for watching. Because you can just delete the whole beginning and start how I... Hello. Alright, what's up YouTube? We got our hands on the new MacBook Air. Well, it's not really new. It's 2 years old, I guess. It's 2022, so I guess it's a MacBook Air.